जारी रहने के बावजूद आखिर क्यों इस मामले को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्वतः संज्ञान लेकर सुनवाई की है। इस मामले में सीजीआई ने सीनियर एडवोकेट कपिल सिब्बल से कई तीखे सवाल पूछे। उच्चतम न्यायालय ने पीड़िता की पहचान उजागर किए जाने पर चिंता जताई है। कोर्ट ने इस मामले में सीबीआई से स्टेटस रिपोर्ट भी मांगी है। साथ ही देश भर के डॉक्टरों से काम पर लौटने की अपील की है।
They have constituted a national task force which will go into the issue of safety and security of the doctors, and that report will be presented to the court, first an interim report and within 2 months the final report, to ensure that doctors all over the country are protected. So that's the most important takeaway. The second takeaway is as far as the residents of Kar Hospital, the RJ Kar Hospital are concerned. Now there, the Supreme Court was requesting all the doctors to go back to work. To that we pointed out the condition of that particular hospital, that on the day when the attack took place, the women resident doctors were threatened with all kinds of dire consequences.
Mentioned that it is a very big issue. We cannot wait for one more rape case to happen. And this issue led him to even direct establishment of a national task force, which will be a protocol, which will lead to a mandate of protocol for the safety and security of doctors. The Chief Justice mentioned that, whether it's women or men, especially women, because such a disastrous incident has just happened. He said if there are no equal opportunities of work in the workplace, if they are not feeling safe and secure, that's a very big concern. That's a major concern for the doctors throughout the country, which led him to state that there has to be some force, there has to be a national task force which caters to all of these things.